Welcome to the first video in our relaxation series, aimed at guiding you to unwinding, improving your sleep, and managing anxiety. Blending the science of relaxation with serene natural beauty and the sounds of nature, we'll introduce foundational techniques to initiate your journey to tranquility and peace. Let's begin to unlock the calming power of these practices together. As the day begins on this peaceful beach, engage in diaphragmatic breathing. Breathe deeply into your abdomen, feeling it expand and contract. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, signaling your body to relax. Each deep breath helps diminish stress hormones, promoting a sense of calm. Continue to breathe deeply. Imagining each breath washing over you like gentle waves. Focus on the rhythmic rise and fall of your abdomen, letting all tension dissolve with the outgoing tide. Now, by these gentle waters, practice progressive muscle relaxation. Systematically tense and then relax each muscle group, starting from your toes and moving steadily upwards. This method effectively reduces physical tension and mental stress, promoting a state conducive to restful sleep. Progressively work through each muscle group, holding the tension for a few seconds, and then releasing. Visualize the tension melting away with each release, like ripples fading into the calm waters. In this vibrant setting, engage in simple mindfulness exercises. Direct your attention to the present moment, noticing the sensory details around you, the sound of waves, the warmth of sunlight. Mindfulness reduces mental chatter and fosters a state of active, open attention on the present. Focus on one sensory experience at a time. Feel the sun's warmth. Hear the rhythm of the waves. See the dance of light on water. Let these sensations anchor you firmly in the now, cultivating a serene awareness. Surrounded by the soothing sounds of the waterfall, continue your mindfulness practice. Observe the sensations around you, the cool water, the greenery's freshness. Mindfulness, particularly in nature, has been shown to reduce cortisol levels, enhancing relaxation and sleep quality. Close your eyes for a moment and focus on the sound of the waterfall. Allow its steady, soothing rhythm to permeate your consciousness, washing away thoughts and worries. In the tranquility of this cascade, combine the relaxation techniques you've practiced. Engage in diaphragmatic breathing. Then progressively relax your muscles. And finally, sit in mindful observation of your surroundings. Allow yourself to flow from one technique to the next, integrating the practices. Notice the cognitive effect of combining these methods, how they deepen your relaxation and enhance the peacefulness of the moment. As we view this serene winter beach, return to diaphragmatic breathing. With each breath, visualize drawing in peace and exhaling any remaining tension. This consistent focus is a cornerstone of relaxation, helping to regulate stress responses and prepare the body for rest. Focus on making each breath slower and deeper than the last. Imagine the cold, crisp air rejuvenating your body, and the exhale carrying away fatigue, leaving you relaxed and refreshed. Sitting on this quiet wharf, engage in a moment of silent reflection. Embrace the calmness, allowing your mind and body to fully relax. Silent reflection consolidates your relaxation practice, integrating the benefits of the techniques you've experienced. In this moment of silence, reflect on the sensations of relaxation you've felt. Acknowledge the calmness, the reduced tension, and any changes in your mental state. This awareness reinforces the relaxation response. Looking out over this vast beach, take a moment to appreciate the relaxation journey you've begun today. Reflect on how each technique contributes to your overall sense of calm, improving your ability to manage anxiety and aiding in restful sleep. As you gaze upon the expansive horizon, mentally revisit each technique you practiced. Consider how you might incorporate these into your daily routine, using them as tools to navigate stress and enhance your well-being. In the presence of these enduring rocks, let's acknowledge the strength and resilience that relaxation brings. Think of the qualities of these rocks: stable, enduring, unshaken. Embody these qualities in your relaxation practice, fostering resilience and a calm, unwavering strength in the face of life's turbulence. These practices build your capacity to handle life stresses with grace and steadiness. As we conclude this session by the calming lake at sunset, take these final moments to bask in the peace you've cultivated. The techniques we've explored today are your stepping stones to a more relaxed, peaceful, and restful life. In the quiet of the approaching night, commit to carrying forward the peace and calm you've found here. Visualize integrating these relaxation practices into your evenings, your mornings, or any moment you need them, enriching your life with tranquility. Thank you for joining the first part of our relaxation series. Today we've laid the foundation for a journey towards deeper relaxation and improved sleep. We look forward to exploring more techniques in our next video, helping you further develop your skills in managing stress and anxiety. Stay calm, stay bright. Have a good night.